Before we get started playing, let's talk about producing a sound. We already discussed mouthpiece buzzing in an earlier video. So let's review that a little bit. We say M with our lips, M, lips stay together in the middle, M, Try it once with me. Doesn't matter what note you're on right now. Now, the thing we're going to do is we want to just hold one note when we buzz. So we're going to go ahead and put the mouthpiece in the trombone, right in the receiver, and we're going to play a middle F. So this is the fourth line up on the bass clef staff. This is a very common note for us as trombone players. I'd like for you to see if you can match that note with me. This is the very first exercise that we're going to play in the daily routine, in the warm-up. So try it once with me. If you don't hit the note right away, don't worry about it. Keep trying, and keep trying to match the pitch and the note I'm giving you. This is also something that if you're just starting out, you'll do a lot in your band classes and with your private teachers, and that's where this is really going to become familiar to you. Let's try again on an F. Good, very good. Okay, let's move on.